Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan says school must not become industries. Call for establishment of schools to bring a knowledge-based society. Manipur observes 17th World Suicide Prevention Day 2019 on working together to prevent suicide. Team at Imahol, Lampel. And members of JC against suspicious death of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School girls student warn government of resuming their agitation. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Jay Xiaoinam with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan called for establishment of school to bring a knowledge-based society instead of mere establishment of schools like industries. He was speaking at the distribution event of Governor's Award Rajkumari Sanatombi Devi Award and Prize 2019 at Rajkumari Sanatombi Devi Vidyalaya, Manipur in Pangai today. Class 11 science student of school, Thongkha Tabam Ankita Sharma received the prestigious Governor's Award for this year. The Governor's Award is given to one excellent student of the school who excels in both academic and co-curriculum activities every year. 9 persons excelling in various fields received Rajkumari Sanatombi Devi Award 2019 at the event. Lecturer of Johnstone Higher Secondary School, J. Chan Oinam, Manipur Traffic Police P.H. Tamubi, Jenims Nursing Superintendent Takhelambam Yaimabi, differently able Salam Luang Lakpa, who was brought laurels for the nation by excelling in both national and international level sports championship. Peace cyclist Pilem Rohan and under-19 badminton single champion in the White Knight Russia International Tournament 2019, Maishnam Mairabal Luang, were among those who received the award this year.
There are many schools, many institutions. Asuk yamna leiraga. Matamadu school amani leiba ahalamanna concept saying na larik tambang amaga ngasi school mayama leiraba modern sophisticated infrastructure mayamam supiraba. Aikoina karigino aikoina afaba satra puthupang amdrisi karigino haibase nainabi ba chumgadra in khali adu karigumba kanda coaching to base private tambase masigi culture si leiringai di some of the schools, some of the institutions are always encouraged to the coaching adu argoi di education se aigi motadi madu commercialized ore industry when on thok kare haina ina feel taweba.
Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan launched 2-day workshop on innovation, incubation and startup with intellectual properties right IPR possibilities at the conference hall of NIT Manipur in Langol today. National Institute of Technology NIT Manipur along with NIT Silchar, NIT Agartala, NIT Arunachal Pradesh, NIT Meghalaya, NIT Sikkim, NIT Nagaland and NIT Mizoram organized a workshop sponsored by Technical Education Quality Improvement Program 3. Speaking at the event, MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan stressed the need to come up with creative ideas and to properly use natural resources of the state to boost its economy. He asserted that the rate of gross domestic product (GDP) will increase only when investment, production and consumption chart are in sync. He urged instructors of IITs and IIMs to train youths of the state so that they can bring innovative ideas in achieving center's target of $5 trillion economy by 2024. Expert will give resourceful insight on innovation in rural development, business model and startup and intellectual properties right IPR possibilities during the workshop. Directors from various NIT centers of Northeast states took part in the event. Jiribam Deputy Commissioner Mayang Lambam Rajkumar asserted that the purpose of education is to bring an overall development and not just high marks in examination. He stated the same at the 10th Rajkumari Sanatombi Devi Day celebration of R.K. Sanatombi School at Babupara in Jiribam today. He also asserted that society cannot develop without education. Dedicated teachers, meritorious students who secured high marks in the recent HSLC exam conducted by BOSM and students who have excelled in sports and arts and culture were felicitated at the event. Manipur joined in observing the 17th World Suicide Prevention Day 2019 on the theme Working Together to Prevent Suicide Today. National Mental Health Program, State Health Society, National Health Mission Manipur and Indian Psychiatric Society, Manipur State Branch jointly organized observance at Ima Hall in Lumphil. Director of Health Services Dr. K. Rajo, Additional Director Dr. P. Shyamkumar and Head of Psychiatry Department RIMS Dr. R.K. Lenin took part in the event. Speakers spoke at length on psychiatric issues and reasons behind suicide on the occasion. Speaking on the sidelines, State Nodal Officer, National Mental Health Program Dr. Atokpam Ranita stated that 1 million people commit suicide every year as per a report of the World Health Organization, and the suicide rate is higher in adults than youths. She expressed apprehension at the rising suicidal rate among the youths in the recent years, stating that victims of suicide tend to share their griefs to their close associate. Dr. Atokpam Ranita urged people not to ignore these early suicidal tendencies and to offer them unconditional emotional support. She also stressed the need to spread awareness on suicide prevention.
Hana haininga bota haininga taba tumbaya daba chabaya daba magi monda se inung nuai taba mirak tininga taba yamna henzelakpa matamda severe form da nama suicidal ideas lakpa maduda muk khangau dragana suicide attempt aduga completed suicide sumaina tawbagi chances depression na khwaidagi wangi matung tarakpadana koina psychotic disorder schizophrenia sugumba da suicidal risk yam wangi yam impulsive oina tawgiba suicide tabudi koina khangau dabai ai adubu ayambana di mana magi khar utlammeba verbal non-verbal magi sign and symptom uthoameba wangang badani khangde mong matoguni khangde uthoamganeba aduda koina khanghaudaba natraga koina thau.
Convener of the JC Forum against the suspicious death of the girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, L. Gyaneshwari, has forewarned the government that the JC members will rise into intense agitations if their demands are not met within the stipulated time. Speaking to media at Thangmai Bantao ground today, L. Gyaneshwari RPC statement from the deceased girl student's uncle, father and mother in front of the district magistrate. She demanded Chief Minister and Brain to make sure recording of the statements by tomorrow. Gyaneshwari also demanded the government to extend medical aids to the injured persons during the protests. She also appealed to light a candle at every house gates and to hoist black flags in grief until the government hands over the case to the CBI.
Mamagi, mapagi, mapantaugi, 164 statement do laudre, Mrs. Mamangda. Aduna, Equi, CM na, CBI desinagani, Taxan Gani Harvesi, documents in the Kaimta Hosipauda, arranged Todri. Additional DGP Amazon, Impal Weski ASPS, the Akanba, Mieng Changbiraga, Akanba instruction, Pibiduna, Hayang Maki Manungda, Baby Sanagi Mama Mapama, Mapangi, 164 statement, Magistrate Kim Mamangda, PBU, Amazon, CBI da, Tan and Abagi document. Singado Tabiduna Akanba Taksinba do Taksan Biraga Sugumba Wayena se CBI na Paikatuna Tuba Matamda Action Lokot and Biu Adu Natrabata Ragadi Taramangagi Matung Dagidi Akan Akanba Kongjankaya Manipur Mianga Sangsingani.
Members of the JC against the suspicious death of Kontaujam Ongbi Chongai Liu held a public meeting at Langol Tarung Community Hall today. Chongai Liu from Moirang Lamkha under Moirang Police Station in Bishnupur district was found hanging in a suspicious way at her marital home on August 17. Speaking at the meet, JC convener Panti Gonmei stated that Chongai Liu's husband, Konjengbam Jackson, is behind the bars on suspension. However, the government has failed to put into actions any of the agreement reached between the JC members and the government. She condemned that the authorities concerned have failed to consider the JC 3-point memorandum till date. Panti Gonmei demanded to conduct proper interrogation upon Jackson to frame a charge sheet against him at the earliest and to hand over the case to the CBI.
Update about memorandum by Mark Sisungasi Summit Ogani Sisida, a quite Gemuru or Dibandi, penalize the guilty police personnel for their criminal act, Havanasima, suspension or according to the law, Makoibo, the Kodakta terminate Dobra, Assisi Satabig Dobani, Ahan Mase. Ani Subada, hand over the case to CBI, Asini, Aduka, pay adequate compensation or any government job to the Hasigumayam serious or not. Injure over systematic Saba, Criti Puron Pig, the Obani has the demand of Sini, Dona, Asigumba, ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯣꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ JSCꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯁꯦꯝ ꯁꯥꯗꯨꯅ
Residents of Kwakitel Laishram Laikai, Imphal West staged protest demonstration at Iraima Seva Association Hall, condemning the planting of a bomb at one Chongtham, Puna Chandra residence in the same locality on September 8. Taking part in the protest, General Secretary of Kwakitel Irai Laima Meira Paibi El Sobita condemned the incident and demanded those responsible to give public clarification at the earliest.
Purnachandagi imung sida bom langsalamba ada hairiba matam asida makoigi imung se mi imphau leitaba bom se sorok lomdagi langsalamba neba ado si smai tawduna bom se pokti pokhai haudre mi su lehaudadana so haudre adobu akoigi laikai sida mi su jagungna na yum leiriba mafam sida sida bom langsindana laikai sida ki akhang thohanba amadi imungda awapa piba sugumba si matung amuhana tawbidana bagaidamakta akoigi laikai gi oiba Kwakathel Laisam laikai gi oiba club amadi Meira Paibi mayam pullaga sigumba si amuhana tawbiga
Apunba Iraipaki Mahairoi Sinpang Loop, AIMS has extended full support for all the initiatives of Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee, STDC for enlisting of Meitei community in the Scheduled Tribe list of the Indian Constitution. Speaking to media at AIMS office in Kwakitel today, AIMS Vice President Saikom Prem Chan asserted that inclusion in the ST list is the only option left to save the indigenous Meitei community. He clarified that demand to enlist Meiteis in the ST list is not for getting quota benefits, but to protect the community. Prem Chan appealed to everyone to support the movement.
Yamzadraba, Yellow Singbu, Kanjanaba Amatangai Lambidi, Mitaibu, ST lista, Salan Bahibasini, ST demand committee na Taliba, Mitaibu, ST lista, Yahon Bahibasi, Koi AIMS support away, Amadi, Mahiro Loop Amoina, Yellow Singbu, Kanjanabagi the Makta, Loroko Kontang Kudibakta, Kogi, Apun Bayrai Paki, Mahiro Sintang Loop AIMS na, Sauna, Saruk Yagani have said, Tamjari.
Yelhomi Kanba Apunba Loop, YKL in a press release has also extended full support for all the initiatives of Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee, STDC to enlist Meitei community in the Scheduled Tribe list of the Indian Constitution. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on deportation of 4 Rohingyas Muslim men arrested in 2013 for illegally entering in Manipur. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. 4 Rohingya Muslim men arrested in 2013 for entering Manipur's Churachandpur illegally were officially handed over to Myanmar authorities at Indo-Myanmar border town Mori. They were convicted under the Foreigners Act and kept at Manipur Central Jail, Sajiwa. The deportation took place at Immigration Office of Myanmar near Indo-Myanmar Friendship Bridge. Immigration officials from Tammu, Myanmar took custody of the 4 men after completing the formalities with their Indian counterparts and police officials from Manipur. 2 of them are from Butidwang Morni district and the remaining 2 of them are from Mungdwao Morni district of Rakhine State, Myanmar. Forest and Environment Minister cum MLA Andro Thaunaujam Shamkumar inaugurated a newly constructed Youth Welfare Association office at Andro Kuman today. Speaking to media, Minister Shamkumar proclaimed that Andro constituency is a world-famous tourist site. He urged the people for their cooperation in preserving the unique culture, heritage left by our ancestors to attract more tourists. He asserted that the sacred fire of Andro lit years ago is kept burning till date. He claimed that the education sector in the constituency has improved with many schools, including girls-only school built under his initiative. The minister disclosed that government plans to keep cable car facility at Khalong in Nong Mai Ching till Andro under Prime Minister 100-point program. He is constructing a water reservoir at Andro Kuman to improve roads connectivity and to build proper playgrounds for youths in the constituency. Minister Shamkumar urged the people to extend their cooperation in making the constituency green and clean. Village Chief of Sanapokpa Chakpa Andro, CH Gambir President of Development Organization Andro Kendra, C. Suresh, Chairperson of Municipal Council Andro, Y. Sajoba, and many people took part in the event.
ꯄꯥꯜ ꯍꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯍꯩꯄꯥꯜ ꯍꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯂꯕ ꯊꯥꯛꯇ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯇꯕ ꯂꯝꯅꯦ ꯂꯧꯅꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯕꯤꯜꯗꯤꯡ ꯁꯥꯕꯗꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯂꯥꯏꯁꯨ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯤꯅ ꯇꯝꯕ ꯍꯩꯄꯥꯜ ꯂꯩꯄꯥꯛ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯊꯥꯕ ꯃꯩ ꯇꯧꯐꯝ ꯁꯪ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯊꯝꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯊꯣꯡ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯊꯝꯕ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟ ꯉꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯪꯈꯣꯟꯕ ꯊꯛꯁꯤ ꯈꯥꯁꯤ ꯅꯥꯏꯕ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯃꯩ ꯃꯨꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯊꯛꯁꯤ ꯈꯥꯁꯤ ꯅꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯄꯥꯂꯤ ꯅꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯌꯨꯝꯊꯣꯡ ꯌꯦꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯩꯕꯨ ꯃꯨꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯄꯟꯅ ꯃꯇꯨ ꯏꯄꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯩꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯪꯁꯦ ꯁꯥꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯑꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯣꯒꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯔꯥꯎ ꯌꯥꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯇꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯀꯔꯥꯏ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯀꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯔꯣꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯍꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯔꯣꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯦꯛ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯡ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯖꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯉꯥꯜꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯪꯂꯥꯟꯗ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯁꯪꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯁꯥꯕꯅꯤ
People released baby fishes at Thangapad in Sagolban constituency today after yesterday 241st Hyang Tanaba festival with an aim to maintain the ecosystem of the lake. MLA Sagolban, RK Imo co-operator of Sagolban Ward number 7, RK Jiten, members of Bijoy Govinda Sevayat Committee and members of Brownie Club, SCASO Club, SILYA Club, SSAN Club, YWF Club, SYDA Club, SMLVO Club and Sagolban United attended the event. More than 3,000 juvenile fishes brought from the fishery department were released into the lake. MLA RKMO appealed to support in preserving the historically significant lake.
ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯥꯡꯒꯄꯥꯠꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯣꯛꯈꯠꯄꯗ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯅꯕ ꯏꯀꯣꯁꯤꯁꯇꯦꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯉꯥꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯕꯦꯅꯤꯐꯤꯠꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯩ ꯆꯨꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯖ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯠꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯪ ꯀꯩꯀꯥꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯆꯥꯕꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯄꯥꯠꯁꯤ ꯀꯟꯅꯅꯕꯗꯁꯨ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯤꯉꯣꯜ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕꯒ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯇꯅ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯣꯛꯇꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧ.
Vice President of Nauria Pakhanglakpa BJP Mandal S. Kula claimed that there is no water scarcity issues at Langthabal Lep Local and Mongsangay Local in Nauria Pakhanglakpa constituency. Speaking on the sidelines of an inspection visit along with Mandal members at the paddy field, which are irrigated by using water pumps under RLI scheme under the initiative of the local MLA Soibam Soba Chandra since June 28. Eskula expressed relief that most of the paddy fields of the constituency are ready to yield. He condemned those who criticized the local MLA failed to provide water in the paddy fields.
Langthabal local the Pamari Taderega, how the Area Politan Piraga, I quit Mato Sing the Palapani. Matam Steda, social worker Nehaiba, Miam Sibiba, Kanagum Tolokris the Mating Pangadi. Must the MLM Matondana, I could hire Patico Kano Honora, so one of Honorna, in Kang Marks Data, Hing Gankakan is sinking, Tani Rom is sinking erga, Logi Palapani. Mr. Palapis data, who you may am to be raised the Manga Liberiba low meanings. In Pan Westkimanung Dash, whom local latest then Pajability and Hineribili. How you low Salakpa Yaure, Karin, Yola, Laksagla. Low pare wang ma'am asokimatic pajar and haround other kinds data. Narang Katala Nipa Makana. Tauri Batawaching you ut the Gi Havigi Monda. Sarkana Kaiming the practical in the Karim to Upon the Karim to Toxabi de Kote Havigi Monda Irakpadi. As I was a river, Honajaru by Koche, I could tabling there.
A grand felicitation program cum blessing program of 2 Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency and Naga People's Front NPF MP Dr. Lorho S. Fuzi was held at Maha Union Government Higher Secondary School, MUGHSS Ground, Japho in Chandel District today. District Felicitation Committee DFC of Naga People's Front NPF organized the event. Speaking at the event, Dr. Lorho S. Fuzi expressed his gratitude to all those who supported and prayed for his victory in the 17th Lok Sabha election. Tribe Hohos, village authorities, chief and mission blind school Haikak Pokpi in Chandel felicitated the newly elected MP with gifts on the occasion. ADC member of Chandel, Tamenglong and Senapati district, church leaders, village authorities and chiefs and villagers of Chandel and nearby villages attended the event. Cultural dance performances of Maring and Aimol tribe enthralled the crowd.
Nagasingsi yamna crucial oiba matam amda lere. Akoigi Manipur gi lamdam si yamna crucial oiba matam da lere. Framework agreement gi matangda interlocutor RN Ravina hakti akoi munda ha ahum pisile. Ha ahum habisi matam dang hamade hausile. Kari lakadabano kamai la lakadawribano apam badu phangdawrira phangoidawrira Manipur se kaigdawrira Nagaland habisi integration laga naga kambusi integration tawkhigdra tawroidra karamaina lakadabna akoi
Members suspended their agitation till September 15 upon being reassured by Chief Minister Nangthong Mambiray to take necessary actions in the last meeting held between JC members and the Chief Minister on September 5th. She expressed disappointment at the lack of collection of relevant documents by the police to hand over the case to CBI till date and at no recording of section.
Akoi punsisi haram saraga preparation leiraga akoi madu kari lakadabnapsi akoi ngai raga leiba habisi akoi gi matamni.
Mahut Commissioner M. Joy initiated one-day awareness program on Swachh Survekshan Lake 2020 at Thawal Municipal Council Complex today. He also launched a campaign on send person door-to-door waste collection, distribution of dustbins to household and ban of plastic products as part of the lake for the first time in Manipur. Speaking at the event organized by Thawal Municipal Council, Mahut Commissioner M. Joy urged the people in the area to extend their full cooperation in making the campaign a success and to make Thawal Municipal Council a model municipal council of the state. Thawal Municipal Council also distributed dustbin to 180 people of 18 wards under the council at the event. Chairperson of Thawal Municipal Council, T.H. Shamu, Vice Chairperson A.K. Sanatomba, Deputy Commissioner Thawal, Nongmaithem Bandana, Director Mahut, T.H. Harikumar, and Additional Director, PHED, L. Swami Kumar took part in the event. DC Kangpokpi Lalithambigai K. IAS launched the 7 economic essentials for Kangpokpi district at the conference hall of DC Complex, Kangpokpi yesterday. Speaking on the occasion, DC Lalithambigai appealed to inhabitants of the district to cooperate and give accurate information to data collectors of the ongoing census. He also stated that district-level committee meeting will be held every week to examine the process. Writers Club Manipur, Nambol held its Silver Jubilee celebration at the Seminar Hall of Royal Academy of Law, Oinam today. Attendees paid floral tributes to the late members and donors of the club, followed by felicitation of those who brought laurels for the nation in various state, national and international level events. A publication of the club titled Wakon, a book titled Maichak Puriba Punsi written by Khangembam Ibeton, and a book titled Maliyapam Palcha Kum Singh Chai Singh, authored by Dr. O. Chawwa Meite, were released on the occasion. Samurai Lapam Santibala received the Toy Jambira Hari Memorial Sahitya Award for her book titled Mingsel Na Kai Krabada, while Dr. Jamini received the Nongthongbam Chandrakala Memorial Sahitya Award for her book titled Lumbini Laikolda Sat Hoba Leirang. Program Convener of All India Youth Federation, AIYF Manipur State Council, K. Victor, has informed that the annual songwriting and singing competition in praise of Lamyan Bahizam Irabot will be held as part of the month-long Lamyan Bahizam Irabot Memorial Observance. Speaking to media at Irabot Bhaban today, Victor stated that the 24th Voluntary Blood Donation Camp will also be held as part of the observance. He said that the songwriting competition will be held at Irabot Bhaban on September 15 and interested participants may submit their lyrics at Irabot Bhaban latest by September 15, while last date for submission of entry forms for the singing competition is September 18. Victor informed that screening will be held on September 20, followed by final competition at Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy on September 22nd. He mentioned that prizes for the songwriting competition will be distributed on the same day, while prizes for the singing competition will be distributed on Irabot Day at Lamyan Basanglan in Palace Compound.
sugumba event sing se koi lamjing ba lamyan ba koi luching puret jam irabot mahaki kathokpa iramdam irei cha sing sugu nungsiba tola tarba miyam sing gidamukta mana tawkhiba mahaki philosophy mayam adubu hogalakliba satra naharol amadi samaj gi miyoi singna tattana ningsing bagi darkar ma lei aduna masigi ningsing minaraga fidam masibai koi follow tawminasi fidam masi koi chatminasi afabu manipur amagi damakta haiduna koi chindaba yade haiduna all india youth federation na chai kuding gi sinjaduna lakpani hizam irabot asi koi leibak miyam gi adugum laba luching purel lamani aduna luching purel asigi asugum laba event sing sinba matamda satra naharol miyam sing kanglei cha singna physically mentally financially producer oibiyo aduga koi all india youth federation na miyam gi muhut sillaga voluntarily sinjage hairiba sida miyam punamak lakpiduna mateng pangbiyo amsung saruk yabiyo.
Popular Front of India, Manipur State, in a press release informed those students who have earlier submitted application form for PFI Scholarship 2019-20 to come for interview at PFI State Head Office, Lilong Masjid Road, on September 27th. Rongdai Village Authority of Noni District organized one-day Ayus free health camp under the State Ayus Directorate, Lumphilpat at Rongdai Baptist Church Complex today. Doctors check out more than 300 villagers and also free medicines at the camp. 165 Territorial Army, D Company posted in the village extended help during the health camp. Villagers appreciated the MO in charge of District Hospital Tamenglong, Dr. Titus Gangmei, officials and staff of the Directorate and personnel of 165 Territorial Army, D Company for organizing the health camp. Coalition Against Drug and Alcohol (CADA) has organized one-day academic awareness program on the negative impact of drug abuse on students at CI College, Bishnupur. Resource person advised attending students to stay away from drugs. Manipur Amateur Kho-Kho Association, in a press release, informed that selection trials for 30th Junior National Boys and Girls Kho-Kho Championship to be held at Jharkhand from October 2nd to 6th, and the 53rd Senior National Man and Woman Kho-Kho Championship to be held at Chhattisgarh from December 19 to 23rd will be conducted at Athongpa Makha Haikreng Makhong Ground on September 14 and 15. Interested persons may contact the association for details. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan says school must not become industries, call for establishment of schools to bring a knowledge-based society. Manipur observes 17th World Suicide Prevention Day 2019 on working together to prevent suicide, theme at Imahol, Lumphil. And members of JC against suspicious death of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School girl student warned government of resuming their agitation.